Welcome to a journey through time, where the greatest architects of civilization weren't kings or generals, but humble plants. From the first seeds sown in ancient soil, to the complex societies we live in today, botany has defined our human destiny. Let's explore the 10 plants that fundamentally altered the course of history. Starting with the foundation of the modern world. Number 10. Wheat, originating in the Fertile Crescent. This golden grain forced humanity to settle down and build the first permanent homes. The transition from foraging to farming allowed for surplus food, leading to the rise of specialists, trade, and eventually, written language. Number 9. Rice. In the heart of ancient China, this semi-aquatic grass became the lifeblood of millions, sustaining half the global population. The labor-intensive nature of rice cultivation fostered deep social cooperation and communal structures that define Eastern cultures to this day. Number 8. Maize, or corn. The backbone of Mesoamerica. It was the divine fuel for the great Maya and Aztec empires. Through thousands of years of selective breeding, ancient teosinte was transformed into the massive, high-energy ears of corn we recognize today. Number 7. The potato. Once an Andean secret, it traveled to Europe and provided the calories needed to fuel the Industrial Revolution. By providing a reliable food source for the working class, it triggered a population explosion that changed European demographics forever. Number 6. Black pepper, known as black gold. These tiny dried berries launched the Age of Discovery as explorers searched for new routes to the east. Wars were fought and continents were discovered, all because of the European craving for this pungent spice from the Indian coast. Number 5. Sugarcane. This sweet grass shaped global trade, but also drove the tragic and brutal history of the Atlantic slave trade. The demand for sugar created a global economic system built on colonial refineries and immense human suffering that reshaped the Americas. Number 4. Tea. A simple leaf that sparked revolutions, fueled the British Empire, and led to the famous Boston Tea Party. As a global commodity, tea influenced international diplomacy and trade wars, leaving a lasting mark on both Eastern and Western societies. Number 3. Cotton. The catalyst for the industrial textile industry. It drove modern capitalism and transformed the global economy. The invention of mechanical looms turned cotton into mass-produced clothing, making fashion accessible but demanding immense resources. Number 2. Rubber. Essential for the wheels of transportation and modern technology, this milky latex allowed the world to move faster. From bicycle tires to aerospace components, the discovery of vulcanization turned this plant extract into an indispensable tool of progress. And number 1. Savannah. The source of quinine. This bark was the medical key that allowed global expansion by fighting the deadly malaria. By protecting explorers and soldiers from tropical diseases, it literally paved the way for the colonization and interconnectedness of the modern world. From our morning bread to the medicine in our cabinets, our survival and culture are deeply rooted in the soil. We often think we mastered nature, but in many ways, these 10 plants have been the ones leading us all along. Our history is their history. Thank you for watching.